Hey guys, MilesCooperVlogs back on the camera. I know there's low quality right now. It's nighttime. It's 11:50. Dylan Cooper, you guys know him. He just finished putting the videos together for the July 4th this video, and I'm gonna be finishing up some touches and stuff, making the video even better for you guys. And guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we need to make a fan name. I keep saying this because we comment down below. And yeah, so let's do it. Enjoy.
Hold your ears, Mike. Oh, enjoy that. Hey. Oh yeah. But what was over here though?
So this is what we got. The neighbors are having a party right now, but if you hear other fireworks, obviously you know why. But we got some of these. We got some bottle rockets, smoke bombs, torpedoes, hydro fan, more torpedoes, 2-color space ship, whatever. We got these, and we're probably gonna have more, but these are all we got out here for right now. And we got some more over here too. So we're gonna start soon. Dang, that's nice. You know.
Wait, did you catch a spray?
It's crazy. All those people. That's gonna be good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's clear.
Oh, he's on the jump. Yo. Vlog gang. Going up in 3. So we're doing the last 2 of these in the mortar.
Walk to the end of the block and see if it sounds like that.
That's. I'm pretty sure that's too close though.
I'm not.
But I'm.
This time it's gonna be. I'm gonna get the good stuff.
Oh shoot! So we got one of the spinners in a Gatorade bottle. No sponsorship, but Gatorade, give me a sponsorship. Yeah. Dud. So as I was saying, it's kind of dark right now. I'm in the house right now because I'm getting some firecrackers or something like that. Those, you know, the little poppets. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I put it on the screen before that, but like no. But I was saying that's the older brother. Like that dynamite. It's called torpedoes. Those are the older brothers. So just wanted you guys to let you know. But now I'm looking for some firecrackers or something like that. They're supposed to be somewhere. No, that's not it. Are these it? I think these are it. I think these are it. Firecrackers. Black cat. I'm pretty sure this is it. Am I wrong or not? Sorry if there's bad lighting, but I'm trying to find. I think these are it. So meet you guys back outside. Look at my hand and look at this. The width is bigger than my hand. So meet you guys back outside. Here's the firecrackers. Black cat, give me a sponsorship, you know.
Wait, are they all separate?
Yeah, it's like a row.
Oh, I would do bricks at a time, man.
Fuse.
Sorry, bring that stuff in.
Wait, are firecrackers long?
Yes. I think so.
That's long. That's enough. Run.
Those are illegal. Sir, do you want to stand back? Going up. This boy Snapchatting MilesCooperVlogs. Go check it. That boy's good.
Wait, why is that so bad?
I don't know.
He does it.
That's what it does?
It's supposed to go in the air, but I think we're doing it upside down. Dylan, we need light.
Okay.
Let me use it. Let me just
Oh.
hold it.
This side up. Okay, let me try it.
I got it.
No, I'm walking with him. Oh, we have the bottle rocket here too. This is that spinner one going up. Did it wrong again. Another bottle rocket going up.
Some screws.
Don't like that. So, like I was saying, this is its older brother. So, as you can see, it looks like a dynamite. Its older brother. My dad's setting up another screamer, and I'm gonna get it. Dylan, give me the light. I'm gonna start putting out the tortillos, the torpitos. Okay, so these do you guys oh shoot. Do you guys know about those little poppets? This is the older brother of little poppets. I'll put a picture on the screen if you guys don't know what I mean, but this is the older brother.
Oh God. This is scary, man. This is scary.
What you doing here? It's golf cart parking only.
Oh, but the Suburban is here. Oh, wait. Shout out to Austin and Jake.
Going back to bottle rockets. They're not bottle rockets. I'm just kidding, guys. These are illegal fireworks from North Carolina. Don't tell no one, please. Light them up.
Who has no thumb?
Round 2 going up. And a bottle rocket. Not a bottle rocket. Not a paid promotion. That was funny. God, that was loud. Oh my God. Round 3, round 3. Next grenade going up. Guys, it's louder in person, but on camera it's probably not that loud. It probably wrecks the mic. Gosh.
Yeah.
God, waste our time.
There you go. There you go.
He said get away so much time.
Short cross?
Yeah, I already did one, but it didn't go good. It only did like 2 seconds of smoke.
We're untying the wick right now.
And drop it in.
Rubber in. Another screamer going up. Doing 2 at once, I think, this time. Yeah, 2 at once.
Get it.
Couldn't get it.
Oh, it's going so crazy. Look at all those shafts in the gated one.
That was a longer one. Texas bottle rocket going up in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going up. Is this a screamer? We'll check. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it's a screamer. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It hurts my ears every time. So I guess my uncle just pulled up, but we still be lit right here. Texas Bottle Rocket. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a good one right there. Good smokage. That's my boy. Another screamer. Actually, yeah, this is a screamer. Next is a Texas Bottle Rocket. Going up in the air. Cute, cute. That was cute. So I think we're doing the 50 shot caliber now. Nice.
What are these, firecrackers? What is this?
Saturn?
Oh, those are mine.
missiles. No,
So how do you do it?
they're
What do you do?
mine.
No, I brought those from my room.
Oh, sorry. 50 shot going in the air now. He ran. Oh, chill. Clear. It almost hit me. That's probably 50 shot right there, guys. 50 shot.
No, wait, let's see.
Check it, see if there's any rounds left. Are there any rounds? That was 50 rounds.
Saturn missiles.
I know. We're doing another Texas Bottle Rocket, okay. Texas Bottle Rocket. Done lights. You don't get it, right? Done light. The one that we're doing right now is called the Texas Pop Rocket. It got caught. Is the tree on fire? I think the tree's on. No, that's good. Remnants. The remnants of the misfire bottle rocket. We got another twister going out. Yeah, don't show some light. Going out. Oh, we put it upside down, I think. Check it out. Yeah, we put it upside down. We just put a smoker out there. Oh, that's cute. Kind of greenish.
Oh wow,
But I
that was
think-
a dud.
We have another screamer going out.
What is it?
Hold your ears. I think
Dad, where were you?
We gotta be alert. Hold on.
Dad, where were you?
what are we doing next, Don? The brightness of your over pyro fan. Okay, probably a fountain like always.
Oh, is this whole thing?
Yeah, it's that.
Oh, it's
it's
a
that
twig.
one. Yeah,
Yeah, the wick, not the twig.
Yeah.
The wick, not Twix. The
Wick.
regular Twix.
Wicks.
You like the box? You sure?
Yes.
I like the box, yeah.
Don't light. Don't light.
Oh, you want me to hit that too?
Light, Dylan.
You can see.
But the camera can't. Pyro fan going up in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we need emotional voiceover, please.
What are we doing? I'm just hanging out.
So I think we're gonna be doing.
Put on my glasses. That's more important.
I think we're gonna be doing these.
What does this do? You light it and it just you leave?
Yeah, it's a bomb.
That one off.
Let me see if I get some more lighting. It's called 2-color spaceship. I told you guys before. Pretty sure it flies in the air or something like that.
Put the light on. Bring me the flashlight.
We got some light now. Let's see what. Clear. Oh my god. I think it. Where? Second method of holding the bottle rocket in a Gatorade bottle. No sponsorship. Oh, sorry. Well, we finished, so
Dang, I still have all my leftovers.
yeah, but those.
Oh, those
This
are.
is
these are
this
done.
is from the firecrackers. They broke off extras, torpedoes.
Those will still work, right? With the
Yeah.
wicks.
So that's all you gotta say.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next time on MilesCooperVlogs. Keep watching, post notifications, like, comment, subscribe.
Come on, ese. Ese.
Wait, you wanna say something?
No, ese.
¿Dónde está leche?
No, ese. You know, Mexican. Hey.
Oh, eh.
Ese. Ese.
Okay, bye everybody.